This is a video for my brother GX-6750 typewriter. It's in pretty good condition. It is used, I'm going to show you a little bit about the functions here. I have tested every key, the codes, different things like that, and it works. It feeds pretty well. Sometimes it gets kind of caught, but usually I just loosen this little guy if there's a problem and put in the paper and then tighten it up and straighten it. So occasionally that happens, but I have taken this typewriter apart and looked inside of it. I've checked the springs out. Everything looks good and intact. The rollers are clean, and it works fine, just fine. So just know that sometimes the roller sticks. Not every single time. I just wanted to let you know it is an older typewriter. What I want to show you is there is a little test here that we can do. We can press the backspace key while holding down the Alt key. And let's see, let's do a little test here for it. You can see that it's working just fine. I did just put a brand new correction tape in it. This is basically telling you or typing out the test for it. Letting you what the features and different things like that are. I have tested all of the keys. I've tested the caps lock. I've tested the code buttons and they all work. There is quite a bit of, there's a sufficient amount of ribbon left. You can buy these ribbons on the internet. You can see that it's typing everything out in this little self-tester, which is kind of fun. The text looks pretty good. It is older. The daisy wheel is all intact. I pulled it out, checked on it, different things like that. Every once in a while, if you see the C on that touch, the H after the C, there's a little bit of a lift right there, but sometimes that happens. I don't know if that is the ribbon or what. So if you look at these, the print is pretty good for the most part. Fully tested. If you have any questions, will you please email me before you buy in good condition. Thank you.